Hey guys, it's Bree here again, and in this video I will be showing you how I get this sunset vibe. That's the vibe I was going for, so I did like a little sunset look. Everything is using the Crayon case products. If you guys like this look and you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so my brows are already done. So what I like to do is I like to apply a concealer to my lids, just to kind of help the foundation last a little longer. So this concealer is by Mabeline. It's the Fit Me concealer in the color 30 Cafe. Okay, so starting with the Watch Me blush palette, I am going to start with using the color Tangerine, and I will be applying this to my upper lid, and I will be using the regular blending brush in this 7-piece brush set that I got from the Crayon case. Okay, so the second color I'll be using is Cherry. It's this red looking color, and I'm just going to apply that right up under Tangerine. And honestly, I wish I would have went in with this color first, just so that it can pop a little more, because now I feel like I'm blending it with Tangerine and it's making it a different color than the color I was going for, but it still came out pretty. So yeah, I'll apply the Tangerine at the top and then Cherry right below it. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And if you guys seen in my previous makeup tutorial, I usually don't cut my crease like this. I have another technique that I like to use, but for whatever reason I decided to do something different this time, and it didn't really work for me. If you keep watching, you'll see the difference in in this side of my cut crease and the other side of my cut crease, but you know, it's okay. Okay, so now starting with the box of crayons palette, I'm going to use this yellow color, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it into my inner eye. And guys, this color is so pigmented, you really don't have to use much product at all, and that is what I love about this palette and these colors. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with Tangerine again, and I'm going to apply it right next to that yellow. And to apply my eyeshadow, the colors on my lids, I'm going to be using a flat shading brush from the Crayon case. For the yellow shade, I use the smaller shader brush, and then for the other colors, I will be using the bigger flat shading brush, shadow brush. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with this red color, and I'm going to apply it right next to that Tangerine color, which is the orange. Okay, so once I'm done applying that, I'm going to go on with that same small, I'm going to go back in with my medium blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all three of those colors together. Okay, so once we're done with that, I'm going to take a small crease brush from e.l.f. This is the only thing that I'm using that's not by the Crayon case, and I just like how small and precise it is. So I'm going to use that brush, and I'm going to go in my outer V area and apply berries, which is this dark purple color that's inside of the Watch Me Blush palette. Okay, so now that we have all of those colors on, I'm going to go ahead and apply my liner. I was out of frame for most of the part, but if you guys watch my other video, which I'll leave the link below in the description box, I usually go in with a colored eyeliner, like a pencil, and then I will follow up with my liquid eyeliner. And these products are not by the Crayon case, but this is just what I have on hand as of now. But I do eventually want to get the eyeliner from the Crayon case. Okay, so once I'm done with lining my wing liner, I like to go in with my foundation with a small angle brush and just clean it up a little bit. I am not perfect, and I am still learning to perfect my wing. And honestly, I think I'll probably always have to clean it up. It's just so hard to get the perfect wing without having to, you know, go back and fix some things. So. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to apply my foundation, and as you guys know, I do not highlight and contour. I just kind of, you know, dab some foundation on and work it in my skin. You want to make sure you get you know, your hairline and your neck so that it doesn't look like you have a mask on. So guys, once I learn how to highlight and contour and get the right products for it, I will be doing that. So when I'm done applying my foundation, I like to go in with some concealer up under my eye. I use it to cover my dark circles and also to make my my bottom lash colors pop, because I do like to add color to my bottom lash along with eyeliner on my waterline. So when I'm done with that, I usually go in with my foundation. I'll just go over that. I don't usually add more. I just kind of usually take what I have already on my brush just to like clean it up. Okay guys, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to take that yellow from the Box of Crayons palette and the tangerine color from the Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm going to go into my bottom lash to apply those colors. And I also like to do a black eyeliner on my waterline. Okay guys, so once I'm done with my eyes, I like to go in with some mascara just to put some color back into my lashes, because when you're applying eyeshadow, the pigment tends to fall on your lashes and, you know, take away from the natural color of your lashes. Okay, so for my lips, I'll be using the brown colored pencil along with Clean Kisses to get this look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, make sure you guys watch the previous makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching.